In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a conference room for your Microsoft Outlook meeting. We'll start right from your browser and finish with a scheduled meeting that's on everyone's calendar. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type Outlook. This is the quickest way to reach the Outlook website if you don't have it bookmarked. Once the results load, click the official Outlook site to open the web version. If you're prompted to sign in, use your work or school account so you see your organization's calendar and meeting options. Inside Outlook on the web, look toward the top right for the Microsoft Teams icon. Clicking this integrates your Outlook calendar with Teams, which is where you'll schedule the meeting that corresponds to your conference room booking. This keeps everything in one place, so your invite, location details, and online join information all stay synced. Next, choose Schedule Meeting. This opens the meeting form where you'll enter the details that make your booking clear and professional. Start with the title. Use a concise, descriptive name so participants and room approvers can immediately understand the purpose. For example, include the project or team name and a brief topic. Clear titles reduce back and forth and help avoid room conflicts. Now set the date and time. Pick the start and end times that fit your agenda. Keep an eye on time zones if participants are in different regions, and consider a small buffer before and after the meeting if people need setup or cleanup time around the room use. Aim for realistic durations. Shorter, focused meetings are easier to schedule in busy spaces. Add your attendees by typing their names or addresses into the invite field. Include everyone who needs to be in the room, as well as key collaborators who might join online. If your organization uses distribution lists, entering those can save time and ensure you don't miss anyone. A brief agenda in the meeting description helps participants prepare and demonstrates why the room is needed. When everything looks right, click Save. This posts the event to your calendar and sends invitations. In many organizations, saving the meeting with these details is what links the event to the room scheduling process managed in Outlook and Teams. If anything changes after you've saved, simply reopen the event later to adjust the title, time, or attendee list, and Outlook will update everyone. That's it. You've created a clear, well-structured Outlook meeting using Teams scheduling, setting yourself up for a smooth conference room booking and a productive session.